You know what? As far as I'm concerned, cleaning eggs off of pans is the bits. But this is simple. I just put some oil on my burner. And I can cook my eggs on here. It'd be better if I had my proper spatula, but I don't have it right now. And to clean this off, you know, you just take your razor. And I don't have to deal with a darn burned pan. Or, you know how eggs take forever to clean off. And there's so much said about what's bad about, you know, lined pans and aluminum and all these different kinds of pans that are supposed to be bad for you. Well, this saves that whole thing about worrying about your pan. This is just ceramic. And cleanup will be just such a snap. Darn, I should really be using my metal. My spatula. Guess you don't have to use metal. Wood would probably be okay if I hadn't crumpled the egg up into a million pieces. That is the only problem, is getting it all off the burner, which we can now turn off. Okay, now, clean up, being such a snap as it is. Where'd my scraper go? Oh, scraper, scraper. See, just take your little scraper and there you go. Clean up. Isn't that simple? Absolutely a cinch. See? It's as if you didn't cook at all. Ha, ha, ha. Perfect. Okay. See you later. Bye.